Hi friends, my name is Larissa, and in this video I'll tell you what kind of paper is best to use for quilling. This video was made at the request of my subscribers, so let's get started. Paper has different textures. Let's see how this can help us. Take a close look at this lesson. You'll find a lot of useful information here. Let's cut 10mm strips from different sides of the sheet. One of the strips will feel softer than the other. The higher the paper density, the more noticeable this difference becomes. Now let's make swirls from these strips. In the first case, it doesn't look very good. The strip becomes angular and starts to split a little. When we try to roll it again, it starts to split even more. In the second case, the swirl looks much better because we made it from a softer strip. It's almost even and not angular. Very convenient texture, strips. Let's cut the strips both lengthwise and crosswise. In the first case, where the strips are cut crosswise, the swirl turned out well. Not perfect, but good, considering that this is low-quality paper. In the second case, the swirl looks bad. The strip started to split into two parts. This paper is of poor quality. It has a layer inside and is completely unsuitable for quilling. However, it can be used as a base for greeting cards or children's crafts. Higher quality paper with the same texture behaves completely differently. This paper has a fine-grained texture. In the first case, we'll roll the softer strip. The swirl looks perfect. When rolled again, it doesn't split in most cases. In the second case, we'll make a swirl from the stiffer strip. As you can see, it also looks very good, but it's a bit harder to roll. When re-rolled, it doesn't split, but it does deform slightly. It bulges a little. Still, this doesn't stop us from making another swirl with it. I'll try to gently separate the layers of this strip. It's quite difficult because the paper is very dense and doesn't split. That's a good sign. It means the paper is high quality with a uniform structure and perfect for quilling. Making swirls from this paper is a bit more challenging, but they always turn out beautiful, even and strong. I really love this paper. I have the tutorial, How to Make Swirls from Heavy Paper. Anyone interested can get it in my shop with a discount. The link and discount code are in the description. I'll be very grateful for your support, as it helps me continue making free videos for you. Thank you. Let's continue making swirls from 300 GSM paper. It looks great. When re-rolled, it doesn't split. Awesome! Just like in the previous case, the swirl made from the denser strip looks good, but the strip gets slightly deformed when rolled again. Why do we need to make the swirl again? I explain this in the video. The link will appear above and in the description of this video. So if you're serious about quilling, choose high-quality paper from well-known manufacturers in your region. Cut the paper correctly so the strips are softer and don't split. If you're unsure about the paper's quality, don't buy a lot of sheets right away. Buy one and test it first. For beginners, paper in the 130 to 160 grams per square meter range is ideal. Thank you for your attention. I hope my tips will help you in your creative journey. Like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new tips and tutorials. See you next time. Thank you.